Look at all the bikes. Look at all these machines out here. Trillia just pulled up. R1M, baby. Shoo! Look at the bluing on that exhaust. God damn. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Flash CCU coming at you with another video, and today me and my homie Phil are heading up to Cycle Gear for a little bit. Go check it out, go see what's good. Those that are new to the channel, I appreciate you guys for checking me out. I'm on an 07 gsxr. My man's on a FZ06. He's on his girl's bike. He's got a 636 that's fully stunted out. However, he's still waiting on a couple parts. The bike night started at 5. It's like 6:30, 6:20, so we're running a little late, but that's just the story of my life, running late. This shit's clean. Apparently it's his girl's bike. He's still trying to get his bike up and running. All the guys from the bike night are leaving. Why are they all leaving? It's not supposed to end until like 7 o'clock or something. Everybody's already leaving. That's bullshit. I'm not really a big fan of bike nights, but you know what? It's good to switch it up every once in a while. Is it around back?
That's to the bottom right there.
Got you.
Like you gotta stay out another light.
Got you. Okay. All right, Phil, I see you. Looks like there's definitely some people still there, so that's what's up. Looks like not everybody's left yet. Look at all the bikes. Little bike night action. Look at all these machines out here. Hell yeah. Look at all these machines out here. I'm gonna put my bike next to something fucking gorgeous. Damn, that Ducati's nice. Got the Harley squad all over here. Oh, this gsxr is fucking sexy. It's a real nice color. Hell yeah, man. Hell fucking yeah. I know that dude's bike. Look at this thing. Look at this fucking thing. Hell yeah. Hella bikes out here today. Hella bikes out here today. That's what's up, man. Thing's fucking clean as shit. Hell yeah. Hella machines out here. What's up, fam? How you been, man?
Oh, what's good?
What's up, bro? Trillia just pulled up. Fucking Dixon 1000. That thing's fucking clean as shit. Hell yeah, fellas. That thing's fucking dope as shit. Dude, that thing's fucking clean. Look at that. What we got over here? What we got over here? .636. Hell yeah. That R1. What's up, fellas? All the bikes out. Pretty much. Yeah, me too, man. I'm not really into this stuff. I'm trying to get outside the box this year, you know what I'm saying? I gotta get uncomfortable, be comfortable. Damn. That's what's up. Phew. Oh, more Aprillias. Let's check these joints out. Let's see what's up with them. Damn. That thing's fucking two Aprillias right next to each other. Fucking clean as shit. Ours V4. Damn, dude, that bike's clean. Carbon fiber levers, SC Project exhaust. Damn. What's up? Dude, I might fall over, man. gsxr gang. Busa. Old school gsxr. Probably want that while. gsxr gang over here. Like this. This thing's sexy as shit. He's real sexy. What's up, bro? Oh shit, this you? This shit clean, man. I pulled up to it and I was like, I would pull up next to the duck. What year is this?
2023, this year.
Damn, man. You like it? Alright.
Took some adjusting it because I come from a 636.
Okay.
So riding an Italian took some time to get used to.
Is it a GP shift?
Yeah. No.
Yeah. It's not? Okay.
You got the quick shifter on there though.
You got the quick shifter?
So I don't have to put in the clutch to shift. I could just.
You just click up. You good to go. You don't even have to let off the gas.
The only time I mess with the throttle was when I'm starting out and when I'm coming to a stop.
That's it?
Yeah.
Choo!
Yeah.
She's clean, man. Oh, you got the one-sided swing arm? God damn. That's what's up, dude.
It got like a roughness to it. It's different from Japanese bikes. It got like a roughness to it, but she's smooth, man.
Man, that's crazy. The shocks right there. Well, that makes sense because it's you got a single-sided swing arm. Let's see what we got going on Cycle Gear. Let's see what's up. All the bikes out today. All the bikes out today. What's up, fam?
What's up, my man?
How you been, bro?
Good.
How long you been up here?
Like an hour.
Like an hour. You guys got here at 5?
Yeah.
R1. Shoo! Look at that R1, baby. God damn. R1's clean as shit. See what we got going on with Cycle Gear. They got food cooking. Hell yeah. How's it going, guys? Good, good, good. Cycle Gear is popping. What you about to get? What you about to get?
I want to get some gloves, man. The ones I got, it's too much padding. You can't really fuck around with them.
See what we got up in here. Let me go check out this R1 real quick. What's up, man?
What's up?
She's clean, bro.
Thanks.
She's real clean. SC Project. What year?
22.
22? Shoo! Come on, man. I got it here. I got it here. SC Project exhaust. R1.
More like just loud. I don't know.
Yeah. Hell yeah, bro. It's got that good old R1 sound to it. Hell yeah, man.
I was gonna go Graves, but I was like, I'll try something different.
Okay.
I don't know, man. I think it's only gonna get louder because it's brand. I just put it on last Friday.
Yeah.
So that silencer's gonna break in a little bit more.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a little bit louder.
Is this a full system or just
3/4.
Okay.
Header's back.
Okay.
Supposedly, like the newer R1's supposed to have like some type of titanium alloy header.
Yeah.
Lighter.
Okay. Hell yeah, man.
Looks a little bit bluish. I don't know.
Look at this fucking R1M. R1M, baby. Shoo. Thing sexy as shit. It's got the winglets, levers, dominant grips, carbon everywhere. Look at the carbon everywhere. Bridge exhaust. She's fucking clean, man. Look at the bluing on that exhaust. God damn. God damn. This is real clean. Told me you didn't think I was gonna stop. Come on, bro. Back tire got a little squirrely. Those that are still with me, I truly appreciate you guys. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you guys can be updated when we upload. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.